Alright, so here we've got a scared stiff driver board and MPU that came in. Excuse me. So the problem was the board was resetting from time to time, and so what we've done to rectify that was we replaced the 10,000 microfarad capacitor here for the 5 volts, and we've also swapped out the output header on the driver board as well as the input header here on the MPU, and we've installed a 4.27 volt watchdog as well onto the MPU, so that should rectify any of the reset issues. Over here you can see that we had some alkaline abatement that we had to go through on there, and so that's all been done. We've got a NV RAM here on the MPU as well, and the filter capacitor had been swapped out, but I did go ahead and swap it out here for the driver board. We've got the GI modifications done, as well as all 4 of the GI input and output headers, and we've got the AC voltage input headers swapped out here on the board as well. And I've had this thing running for a while and I haven't had any resets, so let's go ahead and get this thing into test, if I can press the right button. And so the test is going to come back time and date not set, but also the soundboard obviously not connected, and the optos are going to read an error just because I don't have any optos attached here to the board. Going into test, so let's go ahead and test the switch matrix. So I'm just going through diagonally, and we'll test the last row and column there, and then also the coin door switches. And let's see, solenoid test. Set that to run. And some of the flipper circuit was used for, I believe, both flashers. Actually, let's do general illumination. Set that to run. And with the WPC 95, there are only 3 of the GI strands that actually dim. As you can see here, those are all properly working. And flashers, and it utilizes some of the flipper circuit like I had mentioned there. Let's see, the flipper coil test as well, so it's going to test both the power and the hold. If I can put it to run. And as you can see, it's just only the 2 flipper circuits that were used here on Scared Stiff, and those are both working correctly. And that's actually all of the tests there, so I will go ahead and get this packaged up and sent back to you. Thank you so much.